Urbane Repair Center. Today we are going to change the battery on LG watch. It's the LG W150. It's sort of easy job, you know, just you need to be patient when you open it. So let's start. You need the LG one. It's got glue on the side here. When you open it, don't force it to damage the back. Don't heat it because it's plastic and you possibilities melt. Get something like a splitter like that on the side here. There, you just need to lift it up on both sides. Okay, this pin is easy going to be open because I have repaired that. I have replaced the battery about 3 years ago, and it means it's easy to come off. But your one is, if you have never changed the battery, it's a little bit harder to take off. Okay, so let us start it. Just to go inside on the side or the other side. If you're not catching, so there you go. You see it's come off because what I say is no glue there, but your one is never been repaired before. It's normally got a black tape around it. It's taken harder. And if you see that bit there, you got it like a lip, okay, to put it that one up and lift it up. So what you all need to do, this is your battery, this is your wireless charge, this is the charging back charger, there's a display, and you got the other side for the display as well. So what we are going to do first, we are going to disconnect it, the battery first, because we don't want shortcut if you're disconnecting. So that's the battery. Disconnect the battery, and after you can disconnect the rest socket what is need to be disconnected. Okay, so you got these screws, need to be open them. Let me just remove the void sticker from here. Okay, so you need to have Phillips screwdriver. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, you see, this is one screws you got there. All right, you don't need to open that one. It's not necessary to open that, the screws there. So just lift the motherboard out. You don't need it, put on the side. This is the battery. So we want to take a battery out. I don't recommend it. You should put it from this side because you got the pin there and we don't want to damage it. Find it somewhere safe that you can put it display. Put that one underneath and lift it up. Don't push it too hard because again we don't want to damage the screen. So there you go. It's off. I'll remove the sticker there carefully. This is what I have done before. If you're not coming off, honestly, don't push it because what I say, we don't want to damage the screen. We don't want to really push it. Just a little bit give away. Okay. So I'll put a new double side tape. Not too much. Oopsie, a little bit. So. Okay, the new battery what I have here, where is it? There. Honestly, this is the old battery, what has been replaced about 3 years ago. Okay, the new one is that one. You got like a edges there. Okay, you cannot do it this way because the flexes need to be turned. This will need to be that way. Go in there, put in the right position. Okay, so put back the main board in. Perfect. So screws back in there. The screws are same size. You don't need to worry to mix them up. And don't tighten it too much. Just to tighten it that much that you want to hold it down. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to last connect the battery. One of them void the sticker again. So now we are going to connect the battery in. Battery in, put the back cover in there. I don't think there's any battery in there. Actually, it's all done. It's ready to give it back to the customer. Just I'm not sure, is a battery charge? Yeah, it's charged, it's going on again. All right, just a little run, empty the battery again, fully charge it again, and it's ready to go. If you have any question, drop me comment. I'm gonna try my best to help you. Thank you for watching K1 Repair Center.